we are anyway, so we can all see it, which is
It's
great.
going to work out for us, John.
It's just those pesky clouds. That's the problem. You know, those will be increasing later today and tonight out ahead of an approaching storm that'll bring another round of wet weather. But over the weekend, it was beautiful. And yesterday, we had a lot of temperatures that were climbing into the low to mid 60s. It was 75 in St. George, but in Salt Lake, we made it up to 63, which was a little bit above average for this time of year. Our average low temperature today is 39, and we're starting out pretty close to that. It's currently 42, although a little bit below freezing in Logan and Evanston, where it's 30. It's in the low 40s in Blanding, low 50s currently in St. George. And showers overnight tapered off in the south. We've got some clouds lingering over eastern Utah. Fair skies across much of the west this morning, but our next storm is already bringing some valley rain, mountain snow up to the Pacific Northwest, and that's what will move into Utah later tonight. And ahead of it, it'll be partly cloudy today with a high temperature of 65, so pretty mild start to the week, but late in the day, we'll have a chance of some valley rain, mountain snow showers developing over northern Utah, so you might have a few raindrops on the windshield when you head home. But out ahead of that wet weather, which becomes more likely this evening, it'll become partly cloudy across much of the state, with most valleys hovering in the mid 60s to low 70s. St. George, you'll make it up near 80. Out ahead of the approaching storm, the winds are going to be picking up later. The yellow indicates wind advisories, orange shows high wind warnings. So over the central and northern part of the state later today into tomorrow, it could get fairly blustery with some of those winds initially gusting up to 45 miles per hour, but northwest winds might be up near 60 miles per hour by tomorrow, and that would be most likely in Castle Country, Uinta Basin, as well as southwest Wyoming. So those would be some of the trouble spots. Might get some blowing dust out ahead of the precipitation. If there's anything out in the yard or on the porch you think might get blown away, you want to secure that. Otherwise, in St. George, it'll be partly cloudy today, sunny, a little warmer tomorrow. You drop into the low 70s by the middle of the week, but then make it back into the mid to upper 80s by Friday and Saturday. And for northern Utah, we'll get a chance of some showers tonight that'll mix in with some snow by tomorrow morning. We could get anywhere from a few to several inches in the mountains. In the valleys, it'll just be that rain-snow mix, but it'll get a lot colder tomorrow. We'll drop near 50. We'll dry out by Wednesday. It'll become sunny, and then by Friday and Saturday, we'll make it back into the low to mid 70s.